So here's what you get when you order your brand new Cub Cadet replacement spindle with pulley is a complete unit with obviously the proprietary blade mount. And what people find is that these are not tapped for the existing bolts. So these existing bolts here, they're kind of strange. They have kind of like a triangle shape to them, and they're probably a self-tapper. So what I do with these is I have a spiral tap, and my spiral tap is a 5/16 by 18 thread, which is similar to the exact same thread. There's an M8 metric that is similar to this too. You should use some kind of oil to lubricate your tap, so when you do this you don't have any drag, and then this will just go in nice and easy like this here. We can show you, and this is just going to screw right in, and we're making threads. Going in, there it is, coming out the other side, and there's our threads. So it's not that complicated to do this. You get yourself a decent tap. For this I use a 5/16 by 18 thread tap, and it's the 5/16 by 18 bolts. These are real close to your standard bolts there. I'm not going to screw this in here yet because there's some shavings around here, so I want to clean all those shavings out before I screw this bolt in. Is basically this guy here will screw right in like this. There you are, and it just works perfect. It'll mount it right to your deck, and as you saw, it didn't really take that much effort to tap this out.